the most memorable vacation you have taken? My memorable vacation is Guam. First, Guam is my first vacation, and I go to Guam. It is very fun. For example, in Guam, I see a dolphin, turtle, fish, and I catch a blue starfish. And a blue starfish is very big and shiny. I am so surprised. Second, I swim in pool every day. Because I like water, so I swim in a pool every day. For example, my sister likes swimming, so I go to pool too, and I play every day. And then I itch all over my body. And next day, I don't do a swim. Third, I see all of the Guam because I want to see all of the Guam. For example, I found a sea pool, so I dive in a pool. Our water is very salty, and I am so sleepy, so I sleep. Thank you for listening my presentation.